Hello everyone, this is Marcus. Today I want to talk about how you can track your SEO with Google Analytics. I'm going to show you a report that I realize that very few people know, and it's a good way to find SEO's opportunity. It's very easy to do, so let's do it. I'm now inside Google Analytics. The report that I want to show you today is found under acquisition, and under acquisition you should see something called search engine optimization. There is 3 reports available: queries, landing pages, and geographical summary. In this video I'm going to talk about the query report because I think this is one of the most important ones. I just have to tell you something. In order to have access to this report, you need to set up the Google Webmaster tool. So if you type in Google Webmaster tool, just Google Webmaster, you will have it here, Google Webmaster tool. So you need to set up this account properly. If you don't do that, I have an example here. If you don't do that, this is what you will see. This report requires Webmaster tool, so you need to click on Setup Webmaster tool and follow the instruction. In order to keep this video short, I'm not going to show you how to set up the Webmaster tool. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comment below, and eventually I will create a video that shows you that. So let's go back to the report. So once the Google Webmaster tool has been set up, you should be able to see this very simple report. This report shows you the queries, really what people have typed inside Google Analytics. So in this case, for instance, bounce rate, there is 250 people that has typed bounce rate in Google Analytics, and out of those 250 people, I've got 0 click, so my click-through rate is 0%, which is not that good. Let's take another example. Cross-domain tracking, it has the number of impression is again how many people have searched for that term in Google Analytics for the period that you have selected. In this case, it's 30 days. So there is 400 people that have searched for cross-domain tracking within 30 days, and out of this 400 people, I've got 12 click, so the click-through rate is 3%. And something very important that you have to remember is the average position. This is the average position or your website for this query. So in this case, my website was ranked on average at rank number 8.6. And just keep in mind that there is, I guess, 10 ranks by page, so it means that I was on the first page of Google, but at the very end. So now how you can use this information, this is the big question. The first option, what most people do, it's already sorted by number of impressions, so they will select the keywords that has a lot of impression and they will try to rank for that term. However, as you know, for the term bounce rate, there is 250 impressions, so a lot of impression, but my average position is 58. That means that I'm on page number 6 in Google, and if you know SEO, you know that rank number 1 will get almost 50% of the clicks, sometimes more, sometimes less, but it's not proportional. So that's the first thing you need to keep in mind. The second thing you need to keep in mind is that it's easier to rank from rank number 12 to rank number 4 than from rank number 58 to rank number 4, unless there's absolutely no competition. The sweet spot, what I typically love to search, is all the keywords where I have a good ranking, not an excellent one, but a good ranking. So a rank between 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sometimes 11 and 12. So I have some traction, but that can be improved, and this is where I put my effort, my SEO effort. So how do you find those keywords? To find those keywords, you need to use an advanced filter. And typically, what I want to see, it's all the queries where my average position is greater than, let's say, 3. So all the queries where I'm ranking number 4, number 5, number 6, and also I don't want to go too deep, and the average position is less than 13. So anything between 3 and 13, so 4 and 12, and here you have it. So now we can look at the result. Let's take it for cross-domain tracking. We know that keywords, it's something that I can improve. I'm ranking actually at rank number 8.6 and have 3% of click-through rate. So if I can write a blog post, or I can improve my pages that talks about cross-domain tracking and had more text and all the things that you have to do for SEO, I can get more traffic out of this keywords. Another one, in this case, almost purely cross-domain tracking. You can have some more terms. I also have Google Analytics cheat sheet, so people are looking for that cheat sheet, but I have 16% of click-through rate. So here you go. This is how you can find your best keywords, the one that you can easily improve and you can get more traffic out of it. Just go ahead, run this report for your website, find your best keyword, and get a lot more traffic. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.